We are going to unbox the Juki TL-18QVP. Hi. Look at my fancy new sewing machine. Just got it home out of the car. Get some fancy directions. I'm not quite sure what all this is. It's all new to me. We have a power cord, a bag full of different kinds of attachments and feet. That'll be fun to go through. Foot pedal. Nope. Might need some scissors. Oh, I bet this is a table. This has a nice little table to work on. There's the table. Please don't fall. It's kind of heavy. Goodness. Not quite sure what that is. Here we go. Ooh. Ta-da! There it is. In all its glory. Just the front of it. Isn't it pretty? Now, before we do anything, I will read this manual. There you have it. The Juki. My new Juki.